Hey guys, it's Adri. So today I have a workout hairstyle with a French braid. Be sure to subscribe below so you don't miss any of my future hair tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I'm going to brush out my hair, and then I like to put dry shampoo in my hair before I work out because I just feel like it's less gross and gritty afterward. Gritty? Is that how you describe your gritty hair? Anyway, I'm going to take a section of hair at the front of my head and split it into 3 equal sections. You're going to cross the front one over the middle section. This will be the start of your French braid. And the back section over the middle section. Take the front section over the middle, add in a piece of hair. The back section over the middle, add in a piece of hair from the part. Front section over the middle, add in a piece of hair. Back section over the middle, add in a piece of hair. Super simple once you get it down. Anyway, I just go down a couple of stitches adding in hair, and then once I have added in enough hair, I just go ahead and do a simple 3-strand braid the rest of the way down. Then go ahead and tie this off with an elastic band. Okay, and then I like to pancake the braid, and then I like to pancake the braid because, I don't know, I just like my braids big and fluffy and poofy. Okay, so once you've pulled it out as much as you want, and I like to pull some fringe out as well, then go ahead and take a hair tie and pull your hair up in a low ponytail. I like this cable cord tie because I feel like it doesn't pull on my hair as much and keeps it healthier for how much I work out. And then just go ahead and tie up your hair. Easy as that. You can pull at the crown of your head if you feel like you want a little more volume. Once again, you're going to the gym though, so you don't need to look like super cute, but if you want to, here you go. So you can do that and leave it in the ponytail, which I do frequently, or you can go ahead and put it up into a low bun by taking the same hair tie and just twisting your hair into a low bun, just a nice loose low bun, and then just go ahead and tie it off. I tucked my ends in because I just didn't want them flopping out. I get the extra thick cable ties because I have super thick hair. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you did. I will see you guys next time. Bye.